If you are buying new construction in Port Saint Lucie or in a luxury community like Tesoro Club, you might be thinking, it's brand new. Why would I need a home inspection? That assumption could cost you thousands of dollars. Today, I'm walking you through exactly why smart buyers still get inspections on new construction, what to inspect, and when to do it. The first inspection most buyers do not even know about is the pre-drywall inspection. This happens before the drywall goes up, when you can still see the framing, plumbing lines, electrical wiring, HVAC runs, and structural connections. Once the drywall is installed, everything behind those walls is hidden. This is the only time you can visually confirm proper framing and supports, correct plumbing connections, electrical placement and safety, HVAC routing, window and door flashing, structural tie-ins. In Port Saint Lucie, we are seeing rapid development. Builders are moving fast, crews change, subcontractors rotate, mistakes happen. This is not about blaming builders, it is about verifying workmanship before it gets covered up forever. Let me give you a real example from our own home. One of our bathtub fixtures was not attached correctly. When we turned it on, water was spewing out behind the wall. If that had gone unnoticed, we would have had water damage inside a brand new home, mold, rot, insurance headaches, all because of a simple installation error. And this was new construction. Next comes what many people call the blue tape walkthrough, usually right before closing. This is when you walk the property and mark cosmetic and functional issues with blue painter's tape. Scratched cabinets, uneven paint, misaligned doors, loose handles, tile imperfections, cracks, missing caulk. It may feel picky, but this is your moment. Once you close, your leverage changes. In communities like Tesoro Club, where buyers are investing significantly, details matter. You are paying for quality. Bring your inspector with you. They see things buyers miss. Here's the inspection almost nobody talks about: the end of 1-year warranty inspection. Most builders provide a 1-year workmanship warranty. Before that year expires, you should bring professionals back out. Not just a general inspector, specialists, a roofing company to inspect the roof, an HVAC company to inspect the system, a plumbing company if needed, a structural inspection if you see settlement cracks. Homes settle in the first year, trusses shift, concrete cures, hairline cracks form, roof tiles move. If you wait until year 2, those repairs are on you. If you catch them before the warranty expires, the builder is responsible. That alone can save thousands of dollars. Port Saint Lucie is growing rapidly. Tesoro Club is one of the most desirable golf communities in the area. When you are buying in a market like this, especially in luxury or custom builds, you want both beauty and protection. An inspection is not a sign you do not trust the builder. It is a sign you are an educated buyer. The smartest buyers treat new construction like any other major investment. Verify, document, protect. If you are thinking about building or buying new construction in Port Saint Lucie, whether in Tesoro Club or anywhere in the Treasure Coast, make sure inspections are part of your strategy. Pre-drywall, blue tape before closing, 1-year warranty review. When you understand the process, you move differently, you negotiate differently, you close with confidence, and you protect your investment. If you have questions about new construction in Port Saint Lucie, drop them in the comments or reach out directly. Smart buyers do their homework. Now you are one of them.